often when we're manufacturing equipment, we want to make sure that the equipment is within the sound range of that particular customer. On this project, we need to be less than 80 decibels. So we have fitted soundproofing enclosures surrounding the entire machine. The main noise coming from the pumping system and the valves for the chamber when they open. So effectively, this is what we've installed here, and we have doors. On the inside of the doors, there is acoustic foam inside of the panel. We've also fitted panels into the ceiling, and because of the heat that's generated from the pumping system, we've also put in fans that direct the heat outside. And what this does is it makes sure that when this system goes into its end environment, it stays well below the 80 decibels that the customer has specified and falls in line with the safety regulations of that facility.